Okay, so this is a full-fledged vertical circle problem. So here's this thing, here's this vertical circle, right? We get the top and the bottom, right? It's a 2 kilogram object, so that's its mass, right? Its mass is 2.00 kilograms. 4.25 meters is the radius, so the radius of the circle is 4.25 meters, and then the period is 3 seconds, right? 3.00 seconds, right? Okay, so I think what we can do, the first thing to do maybe is to figure out the actual centripetal acceleration. We need to do that, so let's do that first. I'm going to use A is 4 pi squared r over t squared. Right, so that's 4 times pi squared times, what's our radius? 4.25. And that's divided by 3 squared. Okay, so here we go. Let's do that. 4 times pi squared times 4.25 divided by 3 squared. And I got 18.64. Okay. Now, the next thing we might want to figure out is also the force of gravity, right, acting on this thing. So we've got the acceleration, right? The force of gravity is the weight, right? So the weight is m times g, okay? Is equal to 2 times 9.81. That's 19.62 newtons. Okay, so now we're set. Now we can set up this whole thing. This thing is spinning around in the circle, right? At the top, there's 2 forces acting on it. There's the force needed, right? The mysterious force. Could be on a string or a rod or something like that, right? And we've got force, unknown force, right? Minus the weight, which is 19.62. And then that equals 2 times this acceleration. Only at the top, you're accelerating toward the center, which is down. So we go negative 18.64, right? And then we can solve that, right? So I'm going to go 2 times negative 18.64 plus 19.62. And I get negative 17.66. Okay, and that makes sense because that acceleration is so much bigger than gravity, right? That we have to actually pull the thing down to make it accelerate down that fast. Things only accelerate down at 9.81 for free, so we've got to help it out, right? So 17.7 newtons down. The minus sign here that we got is down, right? And then at the bottom, this is easy. We can just set up the same exact expression, right? Go force minus weight. And then the only thing that changes, because of course there's a lot more force at the bottom, is that this acceleration that was negative, that was at the top down, right? At the bottom it'll be up. So 2 times positive 18.64. Let's try that on, right? So this is, at the bottom you're accelerating up. At the top you're accelerating down. Okay, because in general you're always accelerating toward the center, which is somewhere right there. So at the top, centripetal acceleration is down. At the bottom, centripetal acceleration is up. Okay, so force minus this is 2. Okay, so there we go. So how do I do that? I go 2 times 18.64 plus 19.62. I get 56.9. And the fact that it's positive means that it's up. All right, this dog is hunting.